right? There's not, oh my gosh, how dare she sell a $3,000 program? No, there's nothing unethical about this at all. It's just different. I always want to be positioned as the premium option. I want to be the Rolex. I want to be the Hermes. I want to be the luxury brand. And the luxury brands don't follow the rules that the rest of the industry goes by, right? And so just because everyone's doing the membership monthly model, $100 a month, $200 a month, I don't know, $1,000 a month even, break the rules. Go against the grain.
Yeah.
Do something where that causes a little bit of controversy. By the way, there's nothing unethical about it. It's just different, right? There's not, oh my gosh, how dare she sell a $3,000 program? No, there's nothing unethical about this at all. It's just different. And when you do something different, you shake up the industry and everyone talks about you and you get free distribution and attention on yourself, right? So, I mean, it's just pure economics. If you sell a $3,000 offer and you do 10 units a month, you're at 30K per month. And that comes from just enrolling 10 people, which you're going to close for sure, I know, at over 50%. So what does that mean? You got to talk to 20 people a month, right? If you just do that over 4 weeks, that's 5 conversations a week. 5 combos a week you could do on one day. You could just dedicate your Fridays. I'm just going to block out and go back to back 5 calls, make $8,000 from that, and then just go back to the rest of the week. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Like
And
this
I
is
can't,
such.
and I know, I know I have proof, and I know that I can scale people
Mhm.
uh to at least 5K a month, like,
Yeah. And you
so
know
if they
what?
pay,
Yeah.
they pay 2 to 3,000 or whatever, like, uh,
You could help them.
one.
You could help them ROI that in their first 90 days. Make the return back on
Yeah.
their investment in the first 30 days, technically. Of course, there's never any guarantees because they're the ones that are executing, right? And
Yeah,
you want
they
to be
have to show
transparent with
up.
that. They have to show up. If they don't do anything with it, of course, they're not going to make anything. But that's just like anything in life, right? So
Yeah.
this is the way that you want to, yeah, the way that you price, I always call it the best way to price a 7-figure offer, an offer that can scale to $1 million or more, is what I call the 10x pricing rule. And basically what that is if you can deliver 10 times the value that you charge over the course of the next year, that's worth charging. So if you coach someone for a year using your models, your coaching calls, they showed up every single week learning from you, they went through your course content, do you think it's possible for someone to make $30,000 in commissions from TikTok Shop over the course of a year?
Yeah. Yeah.
100%, right? $30,000. Well, guess what? You divide that by 10, your price point is $3,000. Listen, you're paying me $3,000 to get coaching from me over the next 6 months or the next 12 months, and you're going to gain the skill sets that have time and time again made people well over $30,000 over the next 12 months. And that's the way that you price.